We are going to take a quick look at a J&P Machines SCS 180 CNC slot cutting machine. This machine is going to cut the grooves for interlocking shelves. It uses 22-inch blades, and these have a 6.2 millimeter kerf, as they are for 6 millimeter material. We do have the manual with the machine. You have a 67-inch width capacity. Your numeric readout here is for your depth. It's powered by a 10 horsepower spindle. You are actually going to cut several panels at once, so you're going to cut about 6 inches of panels at the same time. So if you're doing 6 millimeter material, that's going to be approximately 24 panels. So the cycle time right now is a little bit longer because of that. You can speed up the pneumatics on this machine. Really easy to use touchscreen. So this is your main menu. This is your edit menu. So your first number is distance from edge, 125 millimeter. Number of cuts, 2. Your groove width, 6 millimeters. Now, if you needed a 10 millimeter wide groove, it'll come in and it'll make a second cut to get that 6 millimeter tooling to that 10 millimeters. We're going to turn it back to 6 millimeters because that's what we have. And then finally, your distance between each one of those cuts. In this case, it's 125 millimeters. We're going to go ahead and start it. It is double palm activated. There's your first cut. It's going to move over 125 millimeters, make the second cut as it was programmed to do. If you have any questions or comments, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com, or you can give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.